1 cent bet, $10 mini. Laugh, another one comes down.
Beautiful.
One more? No. Said you've had enough. I reckon you could get the major like that if you're just at the right time, you could still do it. So I've seen a lady get it on a 5 cent bet, so there's no reason why I wouldn't do it on a 1.
No, it does.
That's how I roll.